Describe the habit, habitat, and structure of Volvex. Volvex is the genus of colonial freshwater green algae. Its characteristic features include uh, a rolling, motile habitat establishment in water bodies, and a specialized hollow and a spherical structure called aquinobium. Habit refers to the general appearance and general appearance and general appearance and growth of organism, growth form of the organism. इसके बाद फिर क्या से हैं colonials. Volvex exist as colony. Volvex exist as colony coenibium rather than single cells. Single cells or simple filaments. इसके बाद फिर क्या से motile. The entire colony is motile, moving in a characteristic rolling motions through the water, but the through the water coordinated beating of thousand flagella on its surfaces. इसके बाद फिर क्या है जो n है polarity. The exhibits colony. The exhibit colony distinct. The exhibit colony distinct posterior fronts, distinct anterior front and posterior rear ends, and cells in the posterior colony orient and move towards slight phototaxis. इसके बाद फिर क्या बोलते हैं डिवीजन ऑफ लेबर. देयर इज अ बेसिक डिविजन ऑफ लेयर, स्पेशलाइज्ड सोमेटिक सेल्स फॉर मूवमेंट्स एंड photosynthetics and large non-motile reproductions, germ cells, zonidia, and location inside the posterior portions of the colony. Habit. A Volvex colony is a free-floating planktonic and freshwater alga, and the thrive in water and thrive in waters. Thrive in water. Thrive in water. Thrive in water and slow moving water cells such as ponds and pools, ditches, and temporary rainwater fed tanks. ठीक ना. इसके बाद lakes and lagoons. Rapid growth during unfavorable conditions. Rainy season or springs can causes the surface and can causes to appear green. ठीक ना. Structure. The structure of Volvex, a hollow sphere is known as coenibium. Shape and size. It is a spherical, oval, and hollow structure. इसके बाद typically visible to as a small green eyeballs. Green eyeballs about 0.5 mm and through how can so much through how some can reach 0.1 mm. उसके बाद फिर क्या बोलते हैं सेल नंबर. The cell number is fixed. The cell number is fixed. The cell number is fixed. Are species. Cell number of fields are found in species and can form range from 500 to 60,000 cells है ना. इसके बाद फिर क्या बोलते हैं सर कैसे है मल्टीसेलुलर मैट्रिक्स. मल्टीसेलुलर मैट्रिक्स से अलग है multicellular matrix की क्या से हल extracellular matrix, ठीक ना, extracellular matrix. The cell is embedded. The cell is embedded in a single cells. The cell is embedded in the cells is embedded in a single cells. Embedded on the periphery of the colony, and periphery of the colony, and periphery of the colony with a transparent gelatinous 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 and mucilaginous matrix. Mucilaginous matrix and is made of xyloproteins and individual cells of a cells individual cells of cell biflagellated and the resemble the chlamydomonas cells and the key features includes है ना, key features includes. इसके बाद फिर क्या से है two unequal flagella है ना, two unequal flagella used for coordinations. Two unequal flagella है two unequal flagella used for coordinations and movement of the colony है ना. इसके बाद फिर क्या से है cup shaped रुकने बताते हैं क्या से है cup shaped protoplast है ना. Content photosynthetic pigments chlorophyll A and B and pyrenoids for starch starch, ठीक है. इसके बाद फिर क्या से है भाई अच्छा ना लाइक eyesight sports essential for metabolic functions and osmotic balance है ना. इसके बाद फिर क्या से osmotic balance है osmotic balance, ठीक ना, osmotic balance. इसके बाद फिर क्या से है osmotic balance and Nicholas vacuoles and contraceptive vacuoles and Nicholic vacuoles interceptors नहीं कैसे हले रुक एक मिनट थे ना कैसे हले इंट्रासेटल्स vehicles कैसे हले यार eyesight sports is an hale the light side sensitive adds in phototaxis. इसके बाद vacuoles Nicholas vacuoles and contraceptive vacuoles, ठीक ना. Nicholas vacuoles and vacuoles. इसके बाद क्या बोलते हैं essential for कैसे हले essential for metabolic photosynthesis and osmotic balance, ठीक ना. इसके बाद फिर क्या बोलते हैं से अच्छे ना लाइक cytoplasmic strand in many species attachment cells are many species cells are separated by the interconnected by separate protoplasmic strands allowing for their environments and environment and movement conditions, ठीक ना. इसके बाद फिर क्या से है अच्छे ना लाइक cavity structure है the inner cells of the sphere is hollow. The inner cells of the sphere is hollow. Water and gelatinous filled with water and gelatinous substance, ठीक ना. Asexual reproductions बता रहे हैं कैसे हैं asexual reproductions zonidium and sexual reproductions structure antheridia and zonium and under the sexual reproductions and the posterior regions and are much larger than the somatic cells. Answer complete.